Crafts on rocks, crafts on rocks, sick. Crafts on rocks, crafts on rocks, sick. Crafts on rocks.
Hey. Welcome to Crafts Time Rocks. Sometimes it's hard to find privacy in your backyard. So we're kind of hiding right now from the neighbor whose bedroom window is open. We don't want to disturb them. We framed the bed platform in episode 1, and today we're going to trim it out, all right? Crafts Time Rocks.
Time to forget all I know. Time to push it down below.
These are the access panels for the storage underneath the bed. I took a single piece of 3/4 inch cabinet grade plywood and I cut all of the pieces in the same direction out of the full sheet of plywood so that when you put them back in, all of the grain follows and it's nice and consistent. I cut these panels out with the circular saw by hand. If I saw my cut was a little wobbly, I ran the planer down the edge of it. I drilled a hole for access. Drill, drill, drill. I routed out the holes. Route, route, route. And all the edges. Route, route, route. And we're ready to put the access panels in.
Welcome to the green chili reverie.
We did it. Now we have seating. We could put a bed in here if we want. We made it big enough to put a queen size bed. We've got storage. You can sit and work on your stuff. And when you want it not to be a bed anymore, you take this panel out and put it right here. And then you can sit down, sip your tea. That's the one airplane that now goes overhead per day. The world is changing. Thanks for joining us, Crafts Time Rocks.